So this is going to be one of the first installs in my new house. What we have here today is a Homestead 38-inch universal ceiling fan. As you can see, this fan is installed in my closet. I had made a video of this fan back in 2024. This fan actually came from fellow collector Matt Cody at the Fanimation group trip of that year. But yeah, let's go ahead and kind of take a look at it. There's the Homestead logo, and then the globe I added on myself. And now let's go ahead and start this fan up on high. And this thing flies. I may do something smaller here. I honestly don't know. This is some trial and error, but I feel like this would be a perfect contender for a closet fan. But I may end up going with my Emerson, to be honest with you. But I don't know yet for sure. I was just trying to see if a 38-inch fan would fit in here, because I honestly thought this space was bigger for one of those, but it is not. So we're going down to the medium speed here, and it's still a pretty solid running fan. It's definitely one of my favorite small fans that I own, and I'm still glad I got this. So, and now here we're going to go down to its low speed. This thing has a great range of speeds too. So this thing uses, I believe, I'm not entirely certain, but I believe this is a 172 millimeter motor with a 38-inch blade span. So these things do haul. So far, it looks good. I'm glad I put this up. And there's going to be more installs to come in this house, but this is one of two fans I have put up so far. So, and it honestly looks good here, but like I said, with this clearance here, I may end up doing something different. I honestly haven't decided yet what I may do, but so far it looks good. And you guys pretty much get the gist of it from here. But yeah, hopefully you guys get to see more installs in the near future. I plan on putting at least a Casablanca up in this house, as well as maybe another Dixie Belle or two. I just brought a couple fans with me and kind of just went at it. Anyways, this is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day and take care.